Hi guys, how are you? Vladimir Ribakov here from Traders Academy Club. And happy Friday and happy pre-weekend to everyone. I record this video. This is a live trade we just took with the pound yen sRs using the sRs2 sRs trend rider. And I would like to go over the technical. Look at this move. It's so beautiful. Straight to the downside. Basically, I want to go over the decision, what led me to make my decision, myself and my team. When is it good time to be inside a trade, when it's best to wait. And I want to go over this principle simply to help you to understand better how the system is used and what you have to wait for. So on my previous video, I showed you the few sRs trades we took this week. Using the sRs and when it's the right time to trade. And I told you back then, and I will repeat it right now, not every trade you get is a trade to trade, is a trade to take. Not every signal or alert coming using any kind of system is a trade to take. There has to be a reason, a logic for a trade. Why? Because you want to improve your chances, you want to perform better. And this is something you have to remember. So many, almost every trader on the world, especially in the beginning steps, believes that if we trade more, we do more. That's completely wrong. This cannot be true for one reason. The market can pay what the market can pay. The market cannot give you more than it could move. So just remember that inside all that there is you, and there are all the others who are looking to get a piece of this cake that the market is giving. So if the market is ready to move, let's say 200 pips on the most volatile pairs, you cannot expect to make 2000 pips by getting in, getting out, getting in, getting out, getting in, getting out 10 times or 20 times during this little move. It's impossible. Now, if you would be able to catch a piece out of all this move, but on the right timing and on the right conditions, you have yourself the chance to end up profitable. And if all you will do will be just busy, but oh, I have an alert, and then boom, boom, I'm in, I'm out, I'm in, I'm out, just taking 10 pips, getting out, taking, and you would think that you will do more this way, forget about it. It doesn't work. It cannot work. It would never work. So forget this understanding like so many new traders have. Trade more, make more. Trade smarter, make more. Remember that. I always said that, and I will repeat that. Trading was and never will be get all the opportunities. Trading is getting the best opportunities you find inside all the jungle. That's what it is about. Because if you are waiting for the right spot, even if that means only 10 trades per week, or 5 trades per week, or 2 trades per week, so what? Did you have the best entries? Did you wait for the best opportunities, best timing? Yes? Boom, you get yourself chances improved. And this pound yen we entered, well, less than 2 hours ago, is the best way to end up Friday, basically. So what we have here is a great double rule bearish setup on the top. It's aggressive because not all 3 of them are basically red. But I want to explain what are my decisions here. Okay, so first of all, the double top. It's a classical condition, classical situation with one middle spike, which is kind of erasing the stop losses around this zone from all those that were rushing into the trade. We got a beautiful movement of a triple cycle right here, right? 3 waves to the upside. Then we got this double and this little triple by itself. First move to the downside, a rally to the upside. So from one side we have a double top here. From the other side, we do start to see lower lows and lower highs. This is a very nice format to begin with. Now, even if it's just a double wave correction before a continuation higher, this is your chance to enjoy from the second leg to the downside. Besides that, we had a beautiful, harami pattern right here at the top of the situation, which is basically classical, and the fact that, and this is a bit of a trick here, we gotta move from this top to this bottom. This is what I call a vertical move. One free falling move. Normally after such moves, we cannot sell after the first turnaround. We should wait for the second and then make the sell. Like it will save you tons of time. Why? Because if this high would not hold after the 2 waves pullback, then your setup is saved. You don't lose money. Okay, like here, take a look on this example. Boom, vertical move down. One, and here we could be seduced to sell in the lower time frame, but we have to wait another push, and then this is the trend line you want to go and sell the breakout. And if this high is broken, game over. Your setup cannot go and happen, right? And this way you save yourself well, a possible loss. And this is very, very important, because in trading, one of the most important factors are the understanding that trading is not about making more profits in order to have better growth. Trading, successful trading, is about saving the losses. Why? Because of the same thing I told you in the beginning. The market can give only what the market can give. You can't expect more. So you should change your thinking exactly to this way. Not how do I make more, how do I lose less? It's very, very important. It's very important to be able and develop this inside yourself, how not to be knocked out, not just how to make more profits. So this is basically the situation here. That's what we have. I combine all the confirmations I have all into my decision, and I see that I have more yeses why to trade than no why not to trade. And with the good risk reward, you can see here we are running, and that could be the beginning of something big or not, but this is paying very, very well. And that's all. So again, sRs is a classical, maybe the best tool for high volatility conditions. You can see on the pound yen during the entire months by far, but especially here on the last 2 weeks, you can see how clear and clean the moves are. They are very volatile, very beautiful, very clean, very clear. That's where the money lies in. That's where our chances to end up into profits are increased. So we're in this position and most likely gonna hit like profit anyway. Can now trail the stop loss to the downside to entry. There are many variations you can do. You can lock part of the position, let the final part run. This is the tool you have here, right? Where to close part 1, 80% or 70% on the trade, and then let the other part run free. Because if you have a big fish to catch here, that gives you the chances. So that was a live trade we took, myself and my team. Well, thanks to my team, because I wasn't around, so they alerted me. And I wanted to share it with you so you understand the logic, how do we take the trades. And last important thing, this arrow means the signal you get, right? As I said at the beginning, and I said also in the previous sRs video, the idea here is not, oh, I got an alert, I jump in. No, you want to make sure you got your alert when you can connect 1, 2, 3, 4. When you have that, you have a trend line. Your alert has to be on the breakout. It could be 1 candle before, it could be 1 candle after, but it has to be on the breakout level. So if I get an alert here now, it doesn't help me, because the last ABCD or 1, 2, 3, 4 pattern that was there, the last trend line available, was broken a long time ago. So if I get an alert here, how would that help me? It wouldn't. So I don't need to trade that, right? I have to trade on the conditions where I get the alert and I can connect myself the trend line and the breakout. Why? Because that's how volatility is gained most of the times. Breaking out of corrective patterns, out of ranging patterns, which is also corrective pattern. When you get the break out of it, this is the situation where you get most of the chances to end up profitable. So it's very important, and I want you to remember that, because if you get an alert here now, let's say you get a sRs, you get an alert here. Can you use that? No, because the trend is running and the last ABCD was broken there. And that's why it connects to my previous words when I told you at the beginning of the video. Don't get every signal. Don't trade every signal you get. Not with sRs, not with any system on earth. Get yourself the best conditions. The fact that there is an alert doesn't mean you have to trade it. Think about it. It's, well, let me ask you this question. Walmart or any other big name stores, okay? They send you flyers and then send you emails with discounts every single day. So today this doesn't cost $7 but $6. This doesn't cost $5 but $3. This doesn't cost $20 but $15. Does that mean that every single alert you get from there you need to go and buy? Or you need to go and purchase something even if you don't need it, if it doesn't make any sense to you? Of course not. You are waiting for the ones you need. And when you have that, you go and you make your transaction. You make your purchasing. Same with trading. More alerts doesn't mean nothing. More alerts means that the system conditions just happened. But does it mean that this is the best condition for you as trader to trade? No. And that's where there comes timing. And if you know to apply the timing, you dramatically increase your chances to end up into profits and make great returns. So I hope that helps. I will make more and more and more videos like that for you guys, so you see how I and my team use the systems live. What are the decisions we make, what are the reasons we choose to trade, how you apply that into your trading to get the best of the performance. So yeah, the sRs is the best systems for the volatility market. High volatility currently, that's exactly what we have here. The volatility is back full power into Forex market. Also the CFDs, cryptocurrency was pretty boring this week, but don't you get fooled by that, because it's temporary and the volatility will come back. And the commodities also were soaring this week. Of course, all these instruments are tradable. The most important thing is the high volatility trades, because if the market is not moving, you cannot make money out of it. That's the bottom line. Go with the ones that are moving, and with clear moves, you improve yourself dramatically the chances. That's all. The sRs is available for you. You can go and click it below the video and get it for free, thanks to the partnership program we have with the brokers. And that's all. I hope it helps. If you have any questions, I'm available for you. You can leave the comment below the video. Of course, the Traders Academy Club, I'm inside there for you, together with the trading team. And I wish you a wonderful weekend, a wonderful day, and thanks for your time watching this video. I'll see you soon with more videos and more live trade examples. Thanks. Yours, Vladimir Ribakov.